Hi, Bebe Kath! Happy birthday sa'yo. Alam mo naman na bihira tayo magkita pero lagi tayong in touch. I just appreciate your friendship very much. At alam mo naman na I'm there all the way. Nung nagsisimula pa lamang tayo, mangarap ka days pa hanggang ngayon. You've just grown into such a beautiful, genuine, kind-hearted, young woman. Wag mo nang woman young lady lang muna. And I'm just so proud of you, Be. At alam ko namang alam mo yan. At sana, i-wish ko lang na talagang dumami pa ang nagmamahal sa'yo at sana mas marami pang beautiful moments sa iyong buhay. At syempre, with your family, sina Tita Min and everybody. At syempre, with your KB Buddies family na, by the way, made this greeting possible. Maraming salamat dahil kami rin, we go way back pa. Matagal na. So, thank you for all the friendship at pagmamahal ninyo at loyalty ninyo kay Katrina. Kat, I love you, Bebe. Mwah! Enjoy your birthday.
Thank you.